Greetings from Orchard Road, dhoby ghaut. I'm walking towards Orchard Road, this direction. So join me for this tour, see some interesting buildings along the way. Let's go. I just came from the Fort Canning Park. I went there. I went to visit the Battle Box. It's a nice experience. My first time, as a Singaporean, to visit the Battle Box. It's free entry for Singaporeans and PR. But if you're a foreigner, you need to pay. And then open from 10 to 6 p.m. But Monday is closed, so go there. But then they said online reservation is encouraged. Because I went there, right, the staff told me that no more slots. But then I see nobody in front or behind me. I'm the only one customer, And then I just thought everything is okay. I mean, I just go around the shop. There's a item they sell souvenirs. And then after like 5 minutes, the guy staff asked me if I wanted to go in, really want to go inside. I said, yeah, my first time. So I came from my house quite far from the town center. I spent about 1 hour come here. So I walked up the staircase from the Fort Canning. So he just gave me a pass. I went in. I realized number one, there's no Wi-Fi. Your handphone basically cannot see the WhatsApp message or by the way, there's a beautiful dog. There's no WhatsApp, there's no Signal, there's no Facebook, there's no Instagram or anything. You need to, it's all using a photo or video only. In front of me is Istana Park, another heritage free stuff. You can come here. It's a garden. Wow, this place feel better because just now at the Fort Canning Park was bitten by over 10 mosquitoes. No, seriously, and they are big ones. Even the ants, they are big black ants. I was just sitting down drinking some water, and then within a minute, wow, was bitten. Inside the battle bunker box is nice experience. You see the British soldiers planning their war strategies and ultimate surrender by the Lieutenant General Percival in 1945. But that was history already. No more war is the best. There's a song by Namai Amuro, Japanese female singer. There's a song called A Walk in the Park back in 1999. Long time. Hey, there's a house of Tan Yok. It's heritage site, but looks like temple. What do we have here, man? A nice structure. Wow, look at all these plants, flowers. My space. Enjoy art. At first I thought it was a swimming pool, but it cannot be there because it's just so near to the road, and opposite is Istana, where the former president of Singapore stayed. Coconut trees. Sometimes you're walking in the park, you take a walk, you can forget your worries and stress for that moment. And remember, there are always people less fortunate than you. So try not to complain too much. Be happy what you have. I'm walking to the main road. Opposite is Plaza Singapura, a very old school mall. But I think this Istana Park is good for photo taking, or some shows by the park. The couple sit over there. And then it's so near to Orchard and MRT. The nearest MRT is is dhoby ghaut. But around here, there are so many malls. Look at this, man. I just crossed the underpass to the Plaza Singapura. Wow, look, accidentally I came across this Pokemon pop-up store on 6 April 2026. It's insane, man. Singapore has many new things. If you're doing YouTuber in Singapore, right, about travel and food, there's so many stuff to do. Every day is a challenge. 5-star burger, very expensive. Over $20 for a single burger. It's insane. Wow, that's good exercise, man. Walking day.